Hey guys, today I'm showing you my wash and go without gel. Now I've been doing this a lot lately and it wasn't on purpose, even though flaxseed gel takes like 5 seconds to make. I don't know, I just sometimes get really lazy and I don't want to make it. So one day I was like, you know what, let me just do it without gel. My hair is pretty coily and defined as it is. So just a disclaimer, my hair is naturally very coily, so as I get out of the shower without any product on it, it has these really tight little pencil coils, which is why you see coily definition in my hair even without the gel. You're really working with your natural texture here. Just know that a wash and go without gel is really going to showcase your own personal natural texture because you're not using any gel like aids to define or anything like that. And whatever your texture is, it's going to be beautiful and uniquely yours. I think a lot of people think that you have to have curls or coils in order to have a wash and go, but a wash and go is literally just washing your hair and going, and there's no rules in a wash and go that says you have to have coils or curls or you have to define. You can have a fluffy wash and go, you can have an afro wash and go, you can have a kinky wash and go. So whatever your texture is, this style is going to really help you appreciate it as it is. And I just want to put that disclaimer out here because I know some people are going to ask, because you didn't have gel in your hair, how did you get your hair coily? But it's just naturally that way, and you don't have to have coils or curls to have a successful wash and go. Obviously, as you can see, frizz is inevitable, and I really just love to work with it, especially with this look. It gives you a lot of volume and it's really pretty. I obviously did stretch my texture out. I'm just used to having more length, and my hair, as you guys might know, shrinks all the way up to like here, and you guys will see in the video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this gel-less, fluffy, soft, voluminous wash and go. This is day 2, which is my favorite day because I get bangs and it's just free. This is my favorite day. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so to save time, I've already washed and deep conditioned my hair in sections, and we're just gonna pick up the tutorial from here. Working one section at a time, I rinse all the deep conditioner out of my hair. And now I'm gonna lock the moisture in with my DIY hair oil. Did you miss it? I haven't featured this in so long, I've honestly just been too lazy to make it. Yeah, I know. Pretty sad, but yeah, we actually need it for this wash and go. So I'm applying a generous amount to the section from ends to roots. And if you don't have all the oils for this mixture, you can just use one oil like olive oil. Now this is gonna lock all that moisture into my hair, and then I rinse the section to remove that greasy feeling of the oil, resulting in just soft, moisturized hair. Next, grabbing a creamy leave-in conditioner and applying that all over the section from ends to roots. All the products are going to be linked in the description box, by the way. And last but not least, locking in all that moisture from the oil and the leave-in using your favorite butter sealant. I'm all out of mango butter, so today we're using my shea butter cream. And I'll link the recipe in the description box for you guys to check out. And yes, the one I'm using today is made without coconut oil for anyone who's wondering. So I applied that to the section, just squeezing it in gently so that I don't move any of the product. And as you can see, it's a bit frizzy. Usually a layer of gel gets rid of that, but since we're not using gel, I'm gonna quickly dunk the section under water to get the definition back without losing too much product. All right, so now release another section and repeat. Rinse out the deep conditioner, seal with your favorite oil, rinse away the top greasy layer of the oil so your hair just feels nice and soft. Apply a creamy leave-in conditioner, and then apply your favorite butter sealant cream to lock everything in. If you find your hair gets frizzy, just dunk it under the water for a second to reset the definition. This section was actually not too frizzy, so I just let it be. It's your choice. All right, so grab another section and repeat this simple process all over your head. Now, once I've styled my entire head, I grab a t-shirt and I just blot my hair by squeezing it gently on both sides to get rid of any excess water. And I've got these annoying little wild hairs that pop up in my middle part, so I'm gonna tame them by smoothing them down with my fingers and securing them in place with 2 bobby pins. And I do this on both sides. Now I just hop under my hooded dryer for about an hour to dry on medium heat. And when I get out from under the dryer, my hair is super shrunken and soft and very bouncy. Now I could leave it like this, but I'm gonna stretch my hair to get more length back. And I've already made a ton of videos on how I do this. It's called the banding method. And I'll link some of my banding videos in the description box if you guys want a detailed tutorial. But for this video, it's just gonna be the cliff notes. So I grab my hair in large sections. I re-moisturize with a bit of water so the hair is pliable. I seal that moisture back in with my shea butter cream.
And then I grab my homemade ribbon hairbands and I wrap them all the way down the section in order to elongate my hair. It's a simple process, just smooth and pull the section as you go down. Again, if you want more details on this method, check the description box where I've linked all my banding videos. So now just repeat this banding method all over your head. Keep on driving and driving. And I have 3 sections on both sides for a total of 6 sections. I cover with a large satin scarf and head to bed. Now in the morning, all I do is remove the ribbon ties and fluff out my hair. I'm going back now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on. But you got... Now this is first day hair. It's not my favorite because it's kind of flat, but I still like it. So to preserve this look, I just pineapple my hair at night. And of course, I have a detailed video on how I pineapple at night, which you can find in the description box. And here's the next morning. So I just shake it out and style as I want. I love that the pineapple gives my hair so much more volume the next day. There's just so much more life. So even though the front of my hair is starting to grow a little bit too long, I can still manage to make some bangs out of it. So that's my simple technique for an easy wash and go without the use of gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next one.